This is my Craftsman 10-inch radial arm saw that is no longer being used as a radial arm saw. What I did is I fixed the blade in the out rip position, and I mounted a delta table saw underneath, which I'll show you in a few minutes, on top of which is this slide table. Look how accurate the slide table cut is. That's my slide table, and I can cross cut 27 inches wide boards on this slide table. Now I'm going to remove the slide table and show you the surprise beneath. There's our delta saw. There's our rip fence. This is our out feed table. I'm going to pull it out a little bit to make room for the rip fence. And there we go. Notice we have a shortened rip fence, and that prevents kickback. So now we have a regular table saw, which is upside down. The saw itself goes into the slot, which I've cut in the table. So we just put the blade slightly below the surface. And the nice thing about this saw is we can bevel in both directions. And that's my upside down table saw for ripping and slide table for cross cutting.